5 tips to solve mobile hang problem. Tips 1. Click on your setting icon. Scroll down and click on About Device option. You have to activate Developer option, so click on Build Number option 3 to 7 times. If you already activate it, then just click on Developer option and scroll down and click Limit Background Process Set 3 Process. Now scroll up, click Windows Animation Scale. Set 0.5x. Now click Transition Animation Scale. Set 0.5x. Click Animated Duration Scale. Set 0.5x. Now your phone run 3x faster than before. Tips 2. Click on your setting icon. Scroll down and click on Applications. Click Application Manager. Here you can see all applications. Choose any application and click Clear Data. This is how clear data of your used application. One thing, if you clear data, then you can lost application setting or save data. But it fast to your phone differently. Tips 3. Click on setting icon on your phone. Click Data Usage. Select your unwanted application and click Restrict Background Data. This is why you can turn off your unwanted application auto background usage, and your phone can perform fastly. Tips 4. Click on Play Store icon on your phone. Click Browse icon on Play Store. Now click Setting option. Click Notification Settings. Turn off updates and auto updates. Click on App Download Preference. Select Ask Me Every Time. Click Done. Now click Auto Update Apps. Select Don't Auto Update Apps. This is how your phone can't auto update unusual apps and run faster. Tips 5. Click on Setting icon on your phone. Click Application. Select Application Manager. Here you can see all application of your phone. Now select Less Important Application and disable Notification Setting. If you turn off Less Important Apps notification, then your phone can work more fastly and smoothly. So guys, thank you for watching our video. Please hit subscribe and stay with us.